how to withdraw money from Shopify. Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you on how to withdraw money from Shopify to your bank account. This is really a simple process and it only takes few minutes. But before we get started, I want to talk a little bit about why it is important to be able to withdraw your money from Shopify quickly and easily. As a business owner, you need to have an access to your cash flow so that you can reinvest your business and grow your sales. You also need to be able to pay your bills and expenses on time. That is why it is so important to know how to withdraw money from Shopify quickly and easily. So without further ado, let's get started. First is you need to sign in to your Shopify account and make sure that you will choose the account that you want to withdraw from. And then once you are signed in, on the left side of the dashboard, click on the settings and then click on the payments. As you can see in here, we have different kinds of payment methods such as the Shopify payments. You can have additional payment methods such as your PayPal, Amazon Pay, or you can add more, or you can do manual payment methods. And I'm going to show you in here, since it is on default on Shopify payments, we can switch to a third-party provider. See in here, there are third-party payment providers that you can choose from. These third-party transaction fees apply on all third-party and alternate payment gateways even if Shopify payments is activated. However, if you have Shopify payments activated, then PayPal and manual payments are excluded from third-party transaction fees. So let's go back because I have linked my PayPal already. So all the payouts from my Shopify store will be directed to our PayPal account, and you can set it up in here. Just click manage. In my case, it is just incomplete. The setup is incomplete. You can see your orders in here. If you want to withdraw all of this, just go to the settings and the payments, and in here you will see a withdraw. And once you have selected your payment method, you just click on the withdraw button and then enter the amount of money that you want to withdraw, and then click on the withdraw button again. I can't show you this time because we don't have any withdrawals yet. And Shopify will need to confirm your withdrawal before they can process it. Just click on the confirm button to confirm your withdrawal. And then the last step would be just wait to your withdrawal to be processed. And once you've confirmed your withdrawal, Shopify will process it. And this can take up to 1 to 3 business days. And that is it. You've now successfully withdrawn your money from Shopify to your bank account. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again next time.